Hello, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started since it is 11 o'clock. My name is Jeremy Sentner. I'm a functional AX consultant for IBIS, and we're going to focus on advanced distribution software, which is an IP that IBIS has released, and we're specifically going to focus on advanced order entry, which is a small piece of the entire software package. We're going to mainly focus on the advanced order entry process, and three specific areas that we're going to focus on are advanced customer search, the advanced product search, and lost sales tracking. Now I'm going to go ahead and be flipping between AX and this PowerPoint slide, mainly focusing on AX. So as we enter, we're going to talk about the advanced customer search first. This can be done in two separate places, one being the customer master. So I'm just going to go into AX and the customer master here, and you'll notice an advanced search button up top here. When you click this, the advanced search box will open, and you need 3 characters for the search to actually work. Here you can type in a part of a number, an address, a part of a name, a part of an address, a city, a state, telephone number, line of business, or segment. You can actually search on any of these features, and anything that includes those 3 digits will actually be pulled up and highlighted. So I typed in 100 here, and I get some of the account numbers that include 100, also the invoice accounts that include 100, and any addresses or any other fields that include 100. So that's one of the new features that makes finding information a little bit easier. You only need to have a small piece of information to find the customer that you're looking for. So when you do that, it will filter out just like normal AX would. In addition to the customer search and the customer master, you can also do it while entering a sales order. The first thing you notice when you come to the sales order screen is Advanced Distribution has introduced the stock light functionality. This actually displays stock availability for line items in a sales order. There are 5 different statuses, all which can be filtered upon, and I'll go through what each of them mean right now. If you have something that is a back-ordered status, that means you don't have anything in stock for that warehouse and site specified on the sales order line. There is inventory on the way that can fulfill the order, but it won't be in time to ship with that sales order. Moving to the next piece is insufficient stock, which basically means there's not enough in stock, there's not enough ordered, and there won't be enough to be shipped with that sales order. In other words, you need to go out and buy some more so you can ship these. On time means that there is not available stock in the specified warehouse or site. There is that inventory has been ordered, and it will be on time to ship with the sales order. And then all in stock is pretty self-explanatory. These, as I said, can all be filtered upon by status by clicking on the buttons at the top, and actually shows the specific lines and whether they're in stock and the availability of those lines down here in the footer. When you actually go in and create a sales order, you'll notice that our advanced customer search is located here again. And again, I can type in numerous different search characters and pull up all different kinds of information with only knowing 3 characters. So we're going to go ahead and choose Lenovo. I'm going to create the sales order. Notice here that we have Create Lines button. It'll actually take you into a Create Lines form that IBIS has created, and additionally has included more functionality. Here we have an advanced search for products. You have a similar feature as you do with the customer search, but here you can search on item number, product name, product variant name, external item number, external item text, barcodes, manufacturer, configuration, or site and color. And here you can actually see the parameters you want to include to search on. So I'll go ahead and search on Stu Think for a Lenovo ThinkPad. And as you can see, these have all been highlighted because they include those letters of Think. All these fields can again be searched on in any way or fashion that you want. And if you notice here, we have Has Related Products icon. Now this Related Products icon will let the customer service representative know if there is an upsell, downsell, or substitution opportunity with this item. If this has this icon, this Related Products button will be enabled, and you can actually see which ones are available as an upsell. This obviously has 2 upsell opportunities. And you can actually specify how many you want to order here. Click Create. There's a similar item, another functionality piece that IBIS has included in ADS will actually do a duplicate check if the same item has been ordered by the same customer within a certain time frame that you've specified. So that's all that's doing there. It's giving us a warning. And the line has been transferred to our sales order line. As you can see, the stock availability says that we do have this in stock, and so we can sell it. We can sell it right away. This moves us to our next feature, which is the lost sales tracking. When you remove a line or delete a sales order header, IBIS has created functionality to require a reason code. This reason code is specific to voided sales order or removed sales orders. This enables our ability to track why a sales order was lost or why a sale was lost. So if you want to delete the sales order, you can come in here and select the actual reason code of why you want it deleted. So if the competitor would match the price and we lost the sale, we can go ahead and select that. Select OK. Standard AX functionality there. And we have now tracked why that sale has been lost. Now, if you want to see all of these sales orders that have been lost and why, you can actually go into the inquiry screen and look up the history in voided sales orders. Now, this screen will actually show whether it was a voided line or a voided entire sales order, the reason for it, and some of the basic information around the sales order. You have the other tabs you can go view more specific information on. And additionally, you can actually show all the specified information specific to this order and any information needed around it. Now, to actually set up some of these things, you can actually go into the AR parameters, and you can choose your stock availability color. So if you weren't happy with the colors that I was showing there, you can actually go in here, select the color you do want, and it will change here for you. All of these are active and usable. Now, when it comes to the lost sales tracking, you can actually create your own reason codes and specify specific reasons why you think you would have lost the sale. So the CSR can actually choose those from the drop-down list. Here you can just go ahead and create a new one if you want. And specify that it was a lost sale reason code, and make sure customer is checked as well. And now that is set up. The last piece of functionality that I showed that you will need to set up is actually in the product information management area under release products. And here is where you can actually specify if you want to create a related product. You can select which related product it is, the name, and what type of opportunity this is. Is this an upsell opportunity? And you can actually create additional relationship types as well. Or if it's a product substitution, and here's where you actually select the type upsell, downsell, or substitution item. That will now be available while you're selecting a sales order. Those are a few of the basic functionality increases that IBIS has focused on with the advanced distribution software. In addition to the advanced order management, there's also advanced inventory management and advanced revenue management. These other two areas of the software will not be covered in this specific webinar, but they will be covered in subsequent webinars, so look out for those moving forward. Well, that is the information that I wanted to show. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and email me, and I'll show you my email at the end of this presentation. But what we've gone through today has been advanced customer search, both in the sales order, the customer master, advanced product search with an advanced item search on the sales order entry, the related products fields, and upsell, downsell opportunities. In addition to that, lost sales tracking. And these are just some of the screens we've showed, the stock availability showing the lines and the inventory available. The advanced customer search showing the different fields we can search on. The advanced item search. And then the related products form with upsell, downsell opportunities and how that relates to the voided sales inquiry. If anybody has any other questions in the future, feel free to email me. Again, my name is Jeremy Sentner with IBIS. We have our product manager, Dominic Solero. His email is located here. And then in addition, we have our advanced distribution software website that you can visit. So I appreciate your time and attendance, and I hope everyone has a great day.